Assalamualaikum guys. So today it is a get ready with me. So I'm wearing this sapphire shirt, white, and I'm wearing these matching grey pants. I just love the design. It's from Diners, and this is Maleeha's clothing actually. It is a skateboard blue colored shirt, and she's also going to be training with me in the pants. So now it's time for the hairstyle. Let's go.
Time for the hairstyle. Let's go. ये मुझे तैयार नहीं होते ऐसे ही कम करती है फ्रेंड्स आप इसके जूते देखें एक मेरा एक मलिया ये मैं नहीं हूँ ये मैं नहीं हूँ ये अफसा ये मैं नहीं हूँ ये मैं नहीं हूँ this is not me.
Okay guys, I'm now ready and I am going to wear these khasas that are peach in color. I just love it. And now I'm going to also wear this purple purse. So let's go. Bye. So here are some of my pictures. You can see that. And now there is something special. So guys, did you get
That was not a boomerang.
this video? Okay, bye. I love you all. Allah Hafiz.